MANDUKA CORK BLOck. Made of sustainable cork, this high-quality cork yoga block has a firmness not found in foam blocks and allows you to feel secure in the support it provides. Easy to grip textured surface, great for beginner to advanced yogis. Safe and effective. Improve your practice by using blocks to maintain proper alignment, deepen your stretches, and to help stay safe by reducing injury and muscle strain. Perfect for restorative yoga classes, Pilates, meditation, fitness and exercise. Lightweight and sturdy, cork blocks have a firmness and support not found in foam blocks. Featuring a rounded edge for maximum comfort, support, and grip. MANDUKA's cork yoga block weighs less than coarse-grain cork commonly used for blocks. Sustainable cork. Cork is a renewable, sustainable material. Responsibly made with no toxic chemicals produced during harvesting or manufacturing. MANDUKA is committed to creating responsibly sourced products while minimizing environmental waste. Product details. 9x6x4 cork yoga block, pack of 2. Keep your blocks looking great by wiping down after each use with MANDUKA's botanical cleaner. Top reviews from the United States. LOVE. Super happy with this yoga block, best I've seen outside a yoga studio. I made the mistake of trying to save money by purchasing a less expensive block. Ha! You get what you pay for. I like its sturdiness, not squishy. Note. I am 58 average frame. The block fits my hand the way I like it to. If one is more petite, the 3 brick might be okay. Also note that a purchase is per 1 block, not a set of 2. If you'd like 2, you must indicate that on your order. Oh, and kitty not included in purchase. Enjoy.